boom, 4. All right, guys, you're back for more. You've conquered level 1 of our knee tapping drums. Now we're going to try level 2, and it looks way more intimidating because now we have 8 columns. You're going to see 1 and then a plus sign. That plus sign represents an 8th note. That's an and. So the way you would count that is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's a subdivision. So let's just count that before we even get into anything. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So that's how you count those little plus signs, and that's how you say it. Yeah, and. Okay, so let's just take a look at the differences here. In our last video, we just had 4, and your right hand was just doing 4. Now it seems those red X's, there's 8 of them. So that means we're gonna do this. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready and go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Cool. Now, the other 2, your green dot and your blue dot, they're doing the same thing they were last time. Beats 1 and 3 for that blue dot, that kick drum, and beats 2 and 4 for that snare drum, your left hand. So really, we've just spiced this up a little bit. We've put some hot sauce on the red hand, but we use the same ingredients for our left hand and our right foot. All right, so let's put these 2 together first. You ready? So let's start with just our right hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here we go. 1 and, whoop, no, that wasn't right. I'm gonna keep on going. Ready? So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, let's try it from the beginning. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Cool. All right, so we put those 2 together. Let's just see what the right foot and the right hand sound like and feel like, okay? So don't worry about this guy. So again, 1, 3 for that right foot. I'll start with just my right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and if you need to slow that down, I would recommend you do that. Try this, just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, now let's see if we could piece it all together. So let's start with the hands, and then we're going to try to add in the foot. And as you're counting it, it's really going to help you if you emphasize those drum parts that you're having trouble with, the drum parts that you're trying to add. So I would highly recommend that if you can say it, you can play it. Okay? So again, let's start with the hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, so now I'm going to try to emphasize the kick drum. I'm not even going to try to play it. I'm just going to try to say it. Ready? Here we go. Boom, boom, 4, and boom, and 2, and boom, and 4, and boom, and 2, and boom, and 4, boom, and boom, and 4, boom, and 2, and boom, and 4. Cool. Let's try it a little bit slower. You ready? 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and boom, and 2, and boom, and 4, and boom, and 2, and boom, and 4, and nice job, guys. All right, you've completed level 2 of our knee tap and drum challenge. Nice job.